We're swapping this
for this.
But before that, you join us at Loch Lomond as we move south and pack our bags to go to the airport for our next adventure. We've just got through security and now we're waiting to see what gate we're going to get to go to.
Airport stuff is very stressful.
They've still not announced what gate we're going to be in. I'll take you to the screen now. I mean, we did get here super early, so that's probably why. Better to be here early than late. I don't want to be rushing around.
I'm tired. I might just have a nap here.
No. You don't want to do that. We have landed in Iceland! That was actually a really smooth ride, to be fair.
It's pretty cold.
But it is cold when the wind hits you. Wow. We decided to walk to our hotel from the airport and it's late, so we just got straight to the hotel.
Tomorrow is going to be the better day.
Tomorrow is when the adventure actually starts for this video. I'm so excited. But look, the plug sockets are different. What are those? Ugh. That is metal.
Although, look what you can see from our bedroom window.
This is actually the best thing ever. It really is. But the eruption for the volcano has happened and we're here and this is our room.
There is literally burning lava outside our hotel. Don't worry though, it's far enough away that we're in no danger at all.
Right, we're going to put things on charge, get our heads down, go to bed, and we'll see you in the morning. See you then, bye. Oh, we've just got up and we've made some breakfast because somebody's left some food kindly in this bag. So we're having something very English and we're having coffee and tea with beans on toast.
I think it's going to be really nice. It's not what we used to because we don't normally have this bread, but yeah, they also don't have normal tea bags here. We're
going to have this and then we've got a 5k walk to where we need to be this morning at 9 o'clock.
We've just picked up the van and we're super excited. It's the first time Dave driving it wrong way around.
It's freaking weird. Am I on the right side of that road? Am I on the wrong side of that road?
You're on the wrong side.
I'm on the wrong
right side, Dave.
That'll make a difference, wouldn't it?
He was on the left. Trying to drive on the left. That's not the right side to drive on.
It's not normal. It's strange. Beautiful though. It's a nice cold morning here in not Reykjavik, Keflavik. I can't say it.
Keflavik.
We've decided to rent a van from CampEasy. We're just going to a shop now to stock up with food and get some things that we need. Luce, this is our first time being in an Iceland shop. How do you feel?
It's really strange because I can't really tell what everything is without hoping that I've seen that kind of thing before. Well,
I know I want a brew for the road, so we need coffee, milk and sugar. And maybe some for tea. And obviously your tea stuff.
Thank you very much. Of course I need tea bags.
This is how much we got so far. A full basket. Oh dearie me.
But a lot of it is stuff that we need because we couldn't bring it with us, like stuff to have a shower. So it's going to be the most expensive shop of the 26 days, I think.
It's going to be quite interesting to see how much this actually costs.
So all of that food cost us £140, which it converted to. And that's some of the food we got. We got a lot more than just that. In total, it was a whole 5 days worth of food, which really, when you think about it, really isn't that bad.
We're currently parked up on a campsite in Volga, I think I pronounced it right, and the sun is setting.
It's around about 3:30 p.m. We can't get used to the fact that the sun sets so early here and rises so late.
We watched the sunset, had tea and went to bed. Good morning everybody. Oh, it's 9:10 and we're still in bed just watching the sunrise. Today is Volcano Day.
We're so excited to go and see the volcano. I hope we can get kind of close to it.
It's so nice just to open the doors and just look out. Time to go up.
Brew time. I'm excited for my brew. You might be thinking it's way too cold to have the doors open, but it really isn't. It's actually not as cold as you expect it to be. It's really nice to have a breeze on us because the heater in this van is really, really hot and we can't really get it to turn down. What are you doing, Dave?
I am currently looking on the map to find a place to park to go to this volcano. We gotta put our rubbish in the bin before we leave, then we're gonna start making our way to the volcano. We're on the road to go to the volcano and we've just been stopped. I don't know who it's by, but we've just been stopped and been told that there is a checkpoint down the road and that we probably won't be able to go much further than that. So we're contemplating getting the drone up now instead of walking all that way and being disappointed. That's the volcano. We've just been talking to the people at the checkpoint and they said that Grindavík is open. So we're going to go around that way. And they were saying that it seems like a better view from that way.
Apparently it's the coastal way, but you can actually get into the town now because they've reopened that. And you can still see the volcano from there.
The person was very, very nice. He was answering all of our questions. And he was the one that told us to go around because they've opened the village.
If we didn't go up to him and go and ask and see, we wouldn't have known we could drive around. So, thanks to him, we're going to try that. Unfortunately, the volcano is still pretty far away from us. We're parked up in Grindavík. A lot of the roads still around the town are closed. So, unfortunately, this is the closest we can get to it. But it's still a stunning view. Good morning, everybody. We're going to be going to Reykjavik today. We're super excited to go there. This is one of the places on our list that we've been wanting to go to, especially after not getting to see the volcano. So we're a bit upset about that, but we're gonna go to Reykjavik. Well, at least this is gonna be the busiest it gets probably, so.
Yeah. We've landed in Reykjavik and there's the cathedral. We're only quickly popping in here because we need to head north to go to our campsite that we're going to go to tonight. But first things first is the Rainbow Street and then we're going to go get ourselves a hot dog. I think that sounds like a plan, doesn't it?
It definitely does sound like a plan.
That is magnificent, by the way. We have to come back here to get some pictures of that. We'll be coming back, but we really want to start heading north. We want to see some snow.
We're very, very happy we came to Iceland and visited Reykjavik. It's beautiful, very pretty. It feels very, very Christmassy with all the lights and the Christmas lights everywhere.
We can finally tick off the Rainbow Road. Now let's go find some hot dogs.
Can I have 2 with everything and 2 with the onions, please?
They're the ones with everything. They're the ones with everything.
Anything to drink? Can I have the Coca-Cola, please?
Let's get me trying this bad boy. That is very tasty. Oh, so good. That's really good. It looks as good as it tastes.
We even went and got 2 each. Whoops. The outside of the hot dog is crispy. I actually really like it. It's very good.
We're going to start making our way to the van, so we're going to eat these on the move.
Oh yeah.
The van's about half an hour away, so. And then we've got to get to our park up, and we've yet to pick our park up, so. Eat on the move.
Well, our campsite. Oh, pardon me. Whoops.
If you do come to Iceland, get yourself one of those hot dogs.
Definitely, they're so worth it. For 2 hot dogs each and the drink, it was £20. Can't complain at that.
I know, people say Iceland is really, really dear. It's not. you watch this video all the way to the end, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button for future uploads.